Python is dynamically typed, which means the type of a variable depends on the value you store on it, and it can change at runtime. Here, the variable x have int object which stores the value 10, but when we reassign the variable x with the value hello, which is a string, the string object will create which refers to the x variable. Now, string is a data type in Python which stores combination of a characters. In terminal, we can see when we create the first variable x which stores the 10, then it is an integer object. After assigning a string, x became a string object. So here when we print the type of x with integer 10, we got class int, but when we reassign the variable x with hello, when we print the type of a x variable, we got string. So here the variable changes its type to int to string at runtimes, means the variable changes its type at runtime. Runtime means at the time of execution of code, means the movement when your code is actually being executed. That is what a dynamic typing is. Moving